So hello everybody, my name is Manpreet Singh. I am from the University of Georgia. I am actually a professor and an extension food safety specialist who works with the industry as well as does research on food safety and microbiological issues of food. So today what I'm going to talk to you about is a small concept about PCQIs. This is a very new term that most of you will hear about and most of you actually will probably get familiar with. So before I get too much into what a PCQI is, the acronym for PCQI is a Preventive Controls Qualified Individual. Another terminology that you get used to is the FSMA, which is the Food Safety Modernization Act. The US FDA in 2011 signed into act a new regulation which is called the Food Safety Modernization Act. This Food Safety Modernization Act actually has 7 different rules, but what is relevant to us is the preventive controls for human food. Why that is important? Because what we're trying to do is make sure that everybody, not only in the US but throughout the world, will be able to manufacture food which ultimately does not impact public health. And the idea behind this regulation is, especially here in India, we have so many companies which are exporting to the US. So with this regulation, the idea is that everybody who is manufacturing, everybody who is exporting can become compliant with these regulations and make sure and prove to the US FDA that we are manufacturing food in a safe way and we are not impacting public health. A very simple example I give every time I go is, if you're in the business of manufacturing food, are you confident enough to go outside into the market, pick up your own brand, and feed it to your 1-year-old kid? If the answer for that is no, we need to tighten ourselves up and we need to be doing the right things to make sure we're not making people sick. The other thing is, we also need to sleep well at night. That means we are supposed to be doing the job we're supposed to do. Through this regulation, US FDA's FSMA regulation, and through a standardized curriculum which has been developed by the Food Safety Preventive Controls Alliance. A Food Safety Preventive Controls Alliance is part of the Illinois Institute of Technology's Institute for Food Safety and Health. Through there are a set number of trainers throughout the world actually, which is why, and the main reason why I was here in India as well. I did one training in Calcutta, and this is my second training that I did here in Mumbai as well. There were other 2 trainings which were done, one in Chennai, and Mumbai had a second course too. The whole idea is to create PCQIs under the vigilance of whom the manufacturing of foods can be done, because these PCQIs are qualified individuals who have the knowledge and the baseline about how foods can be manufactured safely. And the main fundamental concept for this is prevention rather than reaction. Thank you very much for your attention.